Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Some homestead updates, you guys, that I wanted to share with you all. Y'all see what's down here, y'all? Another layer of weed fabric. All right, you guys, this video is going to be called How to Create a Raised Bed, a No-Dig Raised Bed. So you guys, if you guys been with me for a long time, y'all know I had 3 raised beds over here. This season, I brought in 2 more raised beds that were in the other grow area. I brought 2 of those in and created more space towards the back where I used to grow all my not strawberries, watermelons. So, um, the old raised beds have been here probably like 5 years or so, so they began to rot, nature took its course with all those raised beds. So, I said, well, let me bring these 2 in, and I picked up the wood from these 2, and let me show you guys. The formation of the raised beds was so good that I decided to leave it alone. I didn't put no more raised beds around it, no more wood. I just left it alone. When I picked up this wood from this raised bed and the wood from this raised bed, I left it alone. I said, this gonna work. I'm gonna make this work because I didn't feel like doing no more than I had to do in this garden this season. So to work less, I said I'm going to grow in these raised beds as is, because I noticed when it was raining, even though I didn't have the wood around it, they were staying put. So this is another reason why I threw down another layer of landscaping weed fabric, because I said I'm not going to be fighting with these weeds this coming season. Now, if I had to do it all over again, you guys, this is all that would be down here. But you know, when you first coming into homesteading world, the garden world, you want things to be nice. You want to bring in beautiful, colorful mulch. You want to get your free mulch and things of that nature. But for the last, 3 years, 2 years, I noticed outside in that area, those 2 areas that I created, the look of it has been very nice, very clean, very little weeds. So I said, you know what? I'm not putting no more mulch down. Y'all see this? Very little weeds. I come in here every so often and just pluck out the weeds that's on the landscaping fabric, and that's it. So for the most part, it stays pretty clean and not weedless, but very little weeds. So over the years, I noticed getting the free mulch, buying the pretty colorful mulch. I noticed that the weeds, to me, it was getting overbearing with weeds. So, as I said before, if I had to do it all over again, this is all that would be down here, right? So what I did was I came in, put down another layer of weed barrier, and as you can see, I kind of overlapped over here with the mound of the soil from where the raised beds was at before. I really love this effect, and see, the weed barrier fabric is gonna hold it somewhat into place to where I don't even have to put wood around it. So as you can see how I overlapped over here, down this area, you see how I overlapped there and made it come all the way up. So look how easy it is for me to walk in here. You see what I'm saying? Y'all see that? And it's just nice and squared off. See how it is? I see that. So I love the way this looks. And I just sowed some more squash in here, and I'm going to come back in here again and sow some more squash. And over here is the watermelon patch. Over here I got a involuntary tomato plant that's growing right here, and back here some more watermelon. And I think I may do some crimson sweets down here in these buckets here. This is fresh soil, good soil. I just filled these up. So it's either going to be watermelons, or I'm probably going to put some type of sugar snap peas that need to vine up, right? Let's see. Over here, I did leeks and green, no, chives and green onions over here. I ain't seen no germination over here yet, so I have to keep an eye on this area. So down this row, I'm probably gonna put eggplant in some of these buckets. I'm also gonna grow some moringa trees. Not sure exactly which buckets I'm gonna use, but all of these are still empty. These four up here. So again, back to the no dig raised beds. See how good that looks? And even over here with the cabbage, see how nice that looks? The soil is not going anywhere. Now, I did run out of fabric, so I'm going to get some more, because my plan is to do the same thing over on the other side. And I have, what, two, let me see, I think 2 or 4 new raised beds on the other side. So my plan is to clean it up, put some more landscaping fabric down there. We've been killing grass off with cardboard, and we're just gonna lay some more tarp down. And then I'm gonna put another layer here so I could build a wall, kind of like, yeah, kind of like a fabric wall. That's how you could put it. So the soil will be contained a little bit more on this side like it is on this side. So you see how I did it? I just overlapped it, made sure I came across the top of it here, and it just needs a little bit more on the top of here, like this one is. Y'all see that? So this is what we are working with right now on the left side of the grow area. And we got all our tomatoes planted. I'm going to plant some more. I did transplants. We got the Whopper. We got the Cherokee Purple over here. And we got the big boy, the San Marzano. And I think I got 3 plants in here. This one, 2, 3. I got 3 plants in here, Better Bush and Big Beef. And I also put some watermelon in a Better Boy. And I also put some watermelon in the back. I just threw seeds there. We're going to see how it works, you guys. They may not be compatible planting, but I hear a lot of people say they don't even do that. So I said, well, these are probably going to need a trellis, so let's go for it. So we got Roma over here, Rutgers, Marion, and I might be able to get another one right in the middle. So I plan on putting some more transplants in that one. Let's see, I forgot what's in this one, but we have 2. Forgot the name of it. And then we have some watermelon on this side. And these are struggling. My Romas is struggling. So I don't know why, but I might have to do some more transplants in this bag right here. And this is fresh soil, so I don't know why this one is struggling, but I'll figure it out. So that's what not the pepper lane, the tomato lane is looking like over here. So I'm gonna step back, you guys, so you guys can get a better look. And right in this area, I need some more landscaping fabric to overlap, and I'm gonna run it real tight across here all the way to here. So I'm waiting on that to come in the mail. So I love the aspect of it being nice, sleek, and clean. This will definitely keep the weeds down come this summer, and it'll be less work out here. All right, family. So this is SEK the Homesteader giving you guys an update on what's going on the homestead, and I will see you guys on the next video. Happy growing. Peace.